everybody, welcome back. It's Tasha here. I am here today with my July Ipsy unboxing, unbagging, whatever. If that sounds interesting to you, please stick around. For those of you that are returning, welcome back. For those of you that are new here, my name is Tasha, and on my channel I do all things makeup related, unboxings, reviews, try-ons, anything related to that. So if that sounds interesting to you, please consider hitting the subscribe button, join my family. It would mean the world to me. Without any more talk, I'm going to go ahead and jump right in. So I do have a little bit of a change for this month. Typically I do the Ipsy Glam bag, the Ipsy, there's 3 different levels for Ipsys. So there's the Ipsy Glam Bag, there is the Glam Bag Plus, and then there is the Glam Bag Ultimate. The Ipsy Glam Bag is $12, $13, and it is mostly deluxe sample sizes. Occasionally you do get a full size. The Glam Bag Plus is all full-size products, and then the Glam Bag Ultimate is a mix of full-size and deluxe products. And of course, with each level, it goes up in price. Typically, I've had the Glam Bag Plus, but I was not sure what I thought about that. So I downgraded to the Glam Bag, which is the deluxe and sample sizes. And so that's what I have this month. So we're gonna go ahead and jump right in. Of course, Ipsy comes in this awesome little pink mailer. And there is something outside of my bag. So here's the bag. It is Escape. So I'm assuming the theme is something tropical, and we do have a product outside of it. The bag is like a weird plasticky bag. If you feel it, you'll understand, but it's just different. Ooh, and it smells like a Barbie. That is exactly what it smells like. Okay, so theme for this month is Take a Break. And so I'm not going to even check what the products are in here. Let's go ahead and jump right in. So first product, of course, is this brush. It is a brush by Firma Beauty. And so it is just a shading brush. It's kind of a flat though, so you can see, I don't know that you can see the profile as well. It's thinner this way and wider this way, but still pretty fluffy. It is nice and soft. I actually do really like that. I think that'll be super exciting. I don't have a card with the product costs on them. Oh, that's sad. Okay, so brush. Next thing that we received is a pore tightening mask. So this is a pearl clay mask. Let's open it up and check it out and see what it looks like inside. Oh, love when they have the seals on it. I'm going to go ahead and open that up. And let's put a little bit right on. It's pretty thick. It is that typical clay, although not as dark as normal. Doesn't really smell like anything either. So the clay mask you'll put on, of course you'll leave it on for a while. It says it deep cleans, tightens pores, and controls sebum, so oil. So definitely, just like most clay masks, they're for more oily skin. I typically have dry skin, so I'm probably not going to use this. I'm probably going to pass this on to a friend, family member that actually could use it. Next product, BASD is the brand. It is a plant-based body lotion in seductive sandalwood. Oh, again, another seal. Love it. Let's open this up and see what it smells like. Oh, that smells wonderful. It is full to the very top, which I also love. We're going to try and put a little out here. It's pretty thick. Very thick. It does not run out. I love sandalwood as a smell. Even though it's thick, it's not as heavy feeling as I thought it would be. Oh, but that smells so good. Oh, I love sandalwood. To me reminds me of a man. Oh, that's so nice. Next product that I got is a sample or deluxe size Kat Von D tattoo liner. It still is the old packaging with the Kat Von D, although they've been rebranded to KVD Beauty. And Kat Von D has separated from them completely, but I do believe that they're trying to use up all the old packaging before they go to anything new. So it'll be interesting to see their new packaging. Of course, this is her typical liner, which is great. It is a brush versus a felt tip, which I love. It works wonderful. I've had it before. I've used it before. I love it. And then the last product that we got is actually a full-size product, which is exciting. It is the Thrive Lip Fuller Lip Liner, semi-permanent micro pigment technology. It says built-in primer and semi-permanent micropigment technology allow for all-day fade-proof wear. Revitalizing lip quench technology treats, plumps, smooths your lips. Well, that's interesting. That'll be cool to try. Sometimes I do find the lip liners what wears away quickest on me. So nice. I love the packaging, of course. I like that it has the color on the end and then the beautiful teal Thrive like normal. And then I'm running out of places to swatch. Oh, you can hardly even see that. Hold on. That didn't even mark. I don't want to get too close. There we go. Beautiful pinky nude color. It's nice and smooth. I really like that. All I smell is sandalwood, so I don't know. I just smell sandalwood. So awesome. Full-size product. Really like this. Of course, the KVD Beauty is awesome. I do love the smell of this body lotion, and it is supposed to be all plant-based ingredients, so I like that. I do like the brush that came outside. It's really nice and soft. We'll have to use it in an eye look coming up with the BoxyCharm, and then of course I'll be kind of passing this along. So good array of products. I enjoyed them all. Again, I don't have a card, so I don't know the cost of each product, but for a full-size Thrive Cosmetics lip liner, that I'm sure is more than what the $12 bag is worth. So awesome. I did enjoy this. Some of my Glam Bag Plus products I was not enjoying as much, which is why I switched to just the Glam bag. Be interested to see how this compares with the Allure, which I'm going to get. It's shipped. So we'll do that my next unboxing, hopefully. I do have my premium shipped for my BoxyCharm. Yay! So I'll get that up for you guys as well as soon as I get it. Hopefully I'll get it Monday or Tuesday. And let me know what you guys got in your Ipsy bags. What was your favorite product? Do you like the Glam bag? Do you like the Glam Bag Plus better? Where do you guys fall with all of that? There's so many options. Sometimes it can be overwhelming. So let me know what y'all think. Thank you so much for joining me today. I loved having you here with me. Please stay safe, stay happy, and I will see you in my next video.